Pharmacokinetics. From now onwards, you guys are supposed to remember this particular point that I'm going to tell you people in today's lecture. This is a blunder that is being made by each and every one of us, those who are studying the pharmacology from the local authors, from the short books. And remember guys, this is not a joke, this is a pharmacology. Remember, pharmacokinetics, it is actually the study of drugs, their movement. Pharmaco is actually drugs, and kinetics is actually the motion or the movement of the drug in the body. How the drug is moving in the body. Drug moves in the body in a sense like, first of all, it is supposed to do the absorption, then it is supposed to do the distribution, then it is supposed to do the metabolism, it is supposed to undergo the process of metabolism, and then it is supposed to undergo the process of. This is the point where every one of us is committing mistake. When I was asking my students, what is the pharmacokinetics? There are certain students, some kind of good students, those who work hard, study hard, and they actually told me this particular answer, the definition of this particular question. That is actually the pharmacokinetics is the absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination. They told me like this. And guys, this is a blunder. This is not the correct definition. Now I'll tell you why this is blunder. Remember, absorption, distribution, metabolism, if you are writing this way, if you are defining the pharmacokinetics this way, like you are saying it is the absorption of the drug, distribution of the drug, metabolism of the drug, and elimination of the drug, this way your definition is wrong. And what is the correction now? Simple. Remove this word, this term, elimination should be removed, and here you must write excretion. Now you will ask the question, you will be getting confused like, what is the reason, the difference between the elimination and excretion? This is the question. You must ask the question from your teachers. Then why do we write elimination hereby? If the excretion and elimination both are the same, or somehow if there is confusion, then what is the confusion? Let me tell you guys this particular confusion. That is actually, this is the correct way to write the pharmacokinetics, and another correct way is, pharmacokinetics is actually the absorption, number one, number two, distribution, number three, elimination. So you can define pharmacokinetics in two ways. In first way, by first method, by first way, you will define pharmacokinetics with four references, with 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. And in the second definition, in the second way, the second methodology of defining the pharmacokinetics is in 3 steps. Number 1, absorption, distribution. Number 3, elimination. Now you guys might be thinking that, where is the term metabolism? So if the excretion and elimination both are the same, then where is metabolism? This is the particular point. You must get confused, and this confusion must be cleared by your teachers and by the standard books, not by the local books. You guys are studying from the local books. From the local books, by mean of local, I mean that you guys are studying from the authors that are actually the local authors, and they don't study, they just do the copy paste, and they don't go for the correct extraction of the knowledge. Well, remember guys, elimination is actually itself composed of the metabolism and excretion. Now, this is how we get the definition of the pharmacokinetics. So from now onwards, you must define pharmacokinetics in 2 ways, in 2 methods, by 2 ways, by 2 steps, by 2 methodologies, whatsoever you call, my dear. Either this way or this way. If you're defining this way, you must not write elimination in any step hereby. You must say pharmacokinetics is the absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. If you are writing elimination here by this way, if you are writing metabolism and excretion, and if you are writing metabolism or elimination, you are making a mistake. You are actually creating a blunder. Why? Because elimination itself is the composition of metabolism and excretion. So if you are writing elimination here, then you have already written metabolism, so which is a kind telling about you guys that you don't know the concept of the particular term, that is pharmacokinetics. So pharmacokinetics from now onwards, you must define this way, that pharmacokinetics is actually the absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of the drug. Or pharmacokinetics is the absorption, distribution, or elimination of the drug, where the term elimination means metabolism and excretion. Elimination is actually an umbrella term used for both the metabolism and excretion. From now onwards, don't commit this mistake. Okay? Either write 3 steps or 4 steps. If you're writing 4 steps, there must not be the term elimination. If you're writing 3 steps, this is the way to write the definition of the pharmacokinetics in 3 steps. That's it.